In this video, I will share with you guys step by step how I made $10,211 in commission with affiliate marketing just in 13 days. From the first day of this month of July until the day 13th of July, I made $10,211 with affiliate marketing using free traffic from YouTube. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on YouTube. I will share with you my profitable affiliate link that made me a lot of commission from YouTube. I will share with you how you can choose the right services or product that you should start promoting on YouTube, how you can create content that you can use to promote your affiliate links on YouTube, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this new services, new methods, new strategies, and let's get started. So this is my affiliate account dashboard, guys. Okay, it's not screenshot. I can click over here. As you can see, I have my dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments, postback, sub affiliate, and affiliate store, my ID. I don't need to show that, but that's fine. Anyway, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and they want to start making money with affiliate marketing using free traffic, step number one, guys, go to Google and search for Fiverr. Okay, search for this website, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commission. It's not like other affiliate marketing businesses that will pay you just few cents. This one is profitable and you can check this website to get more information. So all you have to do is you just need to click on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do is you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. Just need to answer next few questions. They are super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, it's super easy. So all you have to do now is you need to choose good services that you will promote on YouTube using free traffic to earn commission. And I will share with you one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on YouTube. So what you will do, guys, is you will go to YouTube, go and open your YouTube homepage like this. So all of you guys have a YouTube account. It's super easy. You just open your YouTube homepage like this. So first, why we choose YouTube? Because YouTube, guys, has 31 billion monthly visitors. We can get so much traffic from YouTube if we do it correctly. Okay, do you see how many people are using YouTube per month? That's a big number. 31 billion people. Millions of people every single day are scrolling on YouTube searching for services, product, topics, and so much more. Okay, so all you have to do is you just need to come to your YouTube homepage, click on the search and ask question. So for example, you will ask how, let's say, how to do SEO for YouTube, and here you go. So you just need to ask a question. You can ask any question: how to create something, how to create a website, for example, how to do SEO for YouTube, how to make, how to do, how to fund, how to run, and so much more. And YouTube will give you the topics that people are searching for. This is a report search prediction. As you can see, that's what people are searching for on YouTube right now. Okay, people are searching for how to do SEO for YouTube videos, how to do SEO for YouTube shorts, how to do SEO for YouTube channel, how to do SEO for YouTube videos, how to do SEO for YouTube videos in mobile, and so on. Okay, so what we will do is we will go back to Fiverr I will go back to Fiverr, to my home page, and I will click on the search, and I will search for YouTube SEO. I will search for services related to those topics that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, so those people who want to grow their YouTube channels using YouTube SEO, they will be interested to buy this service from me, and they will earn commission, because this service will help those people to grow their YouTube channels, to get more views, more subscribers, and grow their YouTube channels fast with YouTube SEO services. Okay, of course, not all of those people who are on YouTube are searching for how to do SEO, searching for services. They are searching, some people searching for just free videos to learn how to do SEO, but in the other side we have a lot of people who will be interested to buy this service to grow their YouTube channels. Okay, and I will show you the proof that people are buying this service. So pay attention in this step. So search for YouTube SEO. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, level top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. Okay, so that's why you need to choose good sellers. So let's see, let's check, for example, I'm gonna check this one. This one is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews here. It's almost 1k, 1000 reviews. It's close to 1000 reviews. Do you see how many people paid for this service? Let's choose this seller. So I'm gonna choose this one because this one is top rated seller. I will click on his service, okay? And you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. And this seller has one order in queue, as you can see. And you can see how many people paid for this service, okay? So we will choose, for example, this one. But let me show you guys. If we go and we will choose this one, also have 1k reviews. So let's check, for example, this one. I'm gonna click on this one just to show you. This one also, do you see? Oh, this one is really good. This one is also top rated seller. So I'm gonna choose this one. This one, I think this one is better because this one has over 30,000 reviews. Okay, do you see how many reviews here? 35 orders in queue. Do you see how many people paying for this service? So which people will buy this service? Okay, so please guys, explain to me in the comments which people will buy this service if it's not working, if it's not people who has YouTube channels, people who are searching for how to do YouTube SEO. Okay, which people will buy this? Of course, those people who are searching for how to do SEO for YouTube videos, people who has small YouTube channels, who want to grow their YouTube small channels and get more views, more subscribers. Okay, they are buying these services. You just need to start promoting those services if you want to earn commission. Okay, so we will choose the seller. So what you will do, you will copy the link of this seller, of his profile. Just copy his link from here, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports, payments. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Before we do that, we need a video that we will use to promote this service. So what we will do is we will go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr, okay? And click over here. Go to his picture, click on his picture like this, okay? And what you will do is you will record, you will turn your screen recording on in your laptop, and you're gonna record a slideshow video showing the feedback of his customers, okay? Of his customers who already paid for this service, okay? So what you will do, turn your screen recording on and keep clicking here. Let me show you. You will create a video like this. Okay, do you see this? This is the feedback of his customers. Great work. Here is another person, and all those people are satisfied and happy with the result. One time and exactly what I wanted. That's really everything about this gig was above all our expectation. Here is another person, 5 star. Those people are all of those people are satisfied and they are happy with the result. Great, love his work. And after you record this video with his customers and the SEO that he made for his customers, that's really good. What you will do, you will go back. So you will go back to Google and you will search for Canva like this. Search for Canva. It's super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. It's for free. After you finish, this will be all you have to do is you just need to click on upload. Click on upload file and upload this video that you recorded on Fiverr with the feedback of the customers of the seller that we shoot. Okay, and after you do that, you should see your video here. Okay, so I already have this video uploaded. So just click on the video and your video will be over here like this. Click on this 3 points and click on set video as background, and here you go. So what you will do next, you will click on text and scroll down and choose which text style you want to use. For example, I'm gonna use this one. So just use a text that is clear and looking good. Okay, like this one. I'm gonna delete this one and they will keep just this one. Decrease the font size of your text and put your text here. Double click on your text and write this sentence: check link in my description. Okay, check link in my description. We will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. Okay, it's super easy, guys. Okay, after you do that, click over here on elements and scroll down. So just scroll down, go to shapes and choose this one. Click on color and choose black color. Okay, and here you go. Put this shape behind your text like this, and that's it. Here you go. Check link in my description. So people who will watch this video on YouTube, they will see this check link in my description. They will check our YouTube description. We will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description, and we made our own video. Don't worry, guys, about any copyright issue with YouTube. There is no copyright. You will not get any trouble because you record your own video. It's like you made your own video from scratch. No one will have like this video that you made. Okay, even if people also will record the same video, it's gonna not be the same video on YouTube. Okay, so I hope it's clear. So let's check now. So you can see, guys, the video will be a slideshow video showing showing his the feedback of his customers. You can see that's really good. Okay, so all you have to do is you just need to click on share and click over here on download, and this video will be download to your laptop. Go to your YouTube account and create a YouTube channel. It's for free and you can just use your email address, and that's it. And start uploading. Upload this video. Use this title: how to do SEO for YouTube videos. Okay, use this title, the first title. Use the same keyword. Don't change or add anything. Just copy and paste. Use this title. Why you should use this title? Because if you copy this title, people who are using this title, the same keywords, SEO for YouTube videos, they will find your video in YouTube search result. They will watch your video, they will check your video, they will see the link in your description, they will check your description, they will be directly in this seller profile page. They will see the seller is top rated seller, has a lot of orders in queue, a lot of reviews. They will click on continue, buy this service from you, and you will earn commission. It's super easy. So upload this video, use this title, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option because my account is old account. But for you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So all you have to do is you just need to copy your affiliate link from here and go and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. You guys can make a lot of money with this using YouTube, free traffic from YouTube. You don't know the potential of YouTube. YouTube is the best traffic source for me, okay? I'm getting a lot of traffic from YouTube because I have growing YouTube channels for months, even for years. I have been uploading a lot of content. It's been a long time, and this content ranked in YouTube search and keep getting traffic from YouTube search. Okay, that's why I'm still making commissions, and I'm also still promoting those affiliate links on YouTube because YouTube is the best traffic source for me, and that's it. You guys just need to start, stay consistent. Of course, you will not earn your commission from your first week. I want to make this clear, or even from the first. You can earn it from the first month, but it's depending on your work. You will stay consistent. You will upload a lot of content on YouTube. There is no limit, guys. Feel free to upload 7, 10, 20, 50 videos per day, no limit. Okay, and you can also create multiple channels. You can create 1, 2, even 5, 10 YouTube channels. You can use them, but as beginners, start just with one. Start with one, create good videos. Also, guys, use this. I'm gonna show you this. Use this for your thumbnail videos. Okay, let me show you. Use this. Okay, wait. Use this picture for your picture. Use it for for your video as a thumbnail. Okay. Also, thumbnails are very important. And that's it. If you guys want to see more videos about this, about affiliate marketing, more new methods, comment in this video affiliate marketing, like this video, and they will start sharing with you a lot of new methods that you should start using to earn commission. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos.